Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you a quick guide on how to withdraw your crypto easily from HTX to MEXC app. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global yet, check the video description for the sign up link and get up to 8,000 USDT beginner rewards. Alright, let's get into the video. First, open your HTX app, then go to your Assets tab. Here you will see your total assets. Below that, you'll find the options for add funds, withdraw, transfer, and records. Underneath, you'll see the list of your crypto assets. Select the token you want to transfer. For this example, I'll pick USDT. Click withdraw. Next, select the withdrawal method. Choose blockchain address. Here you will select the network you want to use. I'll use BEP20 BNB Smart Chain. Now open your MEXC app. Go to the wallets and click deposits. Choose on-chain deposit. Select the same crypto, in this case USDT, and select the same network as well. Here you can scan the QR code or copy your deposit address. Go back to your HTX app and paste the withdrawal address from MEXC. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and click withdraw. Double check that all information is correct, then hit confirm. Awesome, my withdrawal request has been submitted. After a few minutes, check your MEXC app. The deposit should appear successfully. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw crypto easily from HTX to MEXC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.